Beatrice Butterbottom was known for her scrumptious pancakes. Light, fluffy, and drizzled with warm maple syrup, they were the breakfast of champions. According to Beatrice's granddaughter, Lily, at least. But one morning, disaster struck. One mischievous pancake decided to make a break for it, setting off on an unforgettable adventure. Beatrice hummed cheerfully as she flicked a stack of golden pancakes. The kitchen was filled with the warm aroma of butter and maple syrup, a sure sign of a delicious breakfast to come. Lily, with her big brown eyes and a mischievous glint, watched with anticipation. Beatrice carefully slid the last pancake onto a plate, a perfect circle with a dollop of butter melting in the center. Suddenly, the unexpected happened. The pancake, as if possessed by a spirit of rebellion, wobbled on the edge of the plate, and then, with a daring leap, flopped onto the floor and bounced. Lily gasped in delight. The pancake, light and springy, bounced merrily across the kitchen floor, leaving a trail of sticky syrup in its wake. Beatrice, momentarily stunned, then burst into laughter. This wasn't your average breakfast. The Runaway Pancake zipped past the surprised legs of the family dog, who gave it a bewildered sniff. It bounced off a chair leg, then rolled under the kitchen table, narrowly escaping capture by Lily's outstretched hand. Beatrice, still chuckling, grabbed a spatula. "All right, little pancake," she said playfully. "Time for you to come back before you get cold." But the pancake had other plans. It zoomed out from under the table and shot towards the open back door, propelled by a gust of wind. With a final daring leap, it tumbled out into the garden, leaving a trail of astonished faces in its wake. Lily shrieked with excitement, and Beatrice, wiping a tear from her eye with a laugh, grabbed her granddaughter's hand. "Looks like we're in for an adventure, Lily," she said. "Let's see where this runaway pancake takes us."